In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to be. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have commenced a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have started the chapter that is known as neurolinguistics. Neurolinguistics is the study of the relationship between brain and language. Today, I am going to teach you another important part of the brain, and that is amygdala. What is amygdala? Where it is located? And what are the different functions of amygdala? Listeners and audience, amygdala is the very smallest part of the brain. This word amygdala is derived from the Greek word amygdala, which means almond. Why it is called almond? Because it is similar to almond in shape and structure. Amygdala is located in the deep of the brain, deep side, and nearest to temporal lobe. What are the functions of amygdala? Amygdala has various functions. Like the first one, processes emotions. This part of the brain processes emotions like fear, anger, and happiness. For example, whenever a person he sees a snake, at that time this part of the brain helps that person to have fear of the snake and to take some precautions and to protect himself from that snake. The first function. Second one is recognition of emotions. This is the specialty of this part of the brain, that it supports human in order to recognize various faces and particularly the emotions on the faces, the happiness and sadness of the faces, and according to that make conversation with that person. For example, in many situations or in social conversation, at the beginning we recognize each other faces even without communication. For example, when you want to communicate with a person, you know that either the person is happy or sad. It is because of his facial expression. So this part of the brain helps the person to read the face of the person. Either he is happy or sad, he is in anxiety and depression, or just he is in normal mood. Then emotional memory. Emotional memory means that it stores whatever happened and occurred with you previously, particularly emotional memory. Emotional memory can be related to your happiness or your sadness, even your problems. For example, when you were a child, for example, in your childhood, accident happened, and you whenever another accident happened with a person, for example in your life, now you are young, a boy for example, or even a person, but at that time when you see the same accident or different accident, you remind your own accident. You recalled your own accident, even the fear which you had at that time, even the pain. So the same situations comes to your mind. It is because of what? It is because of amygdala that stores your emotions. So hope that now you know about amygdala and its various functions. Thank you.